In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog on Shopify 5 minutes. Whether you're launching your first post or building a content routine to support your store, I'll walk you through the exact path in Shopify and share a few quick tips to make your post look great and publish with confidence. First, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look along the left-hand menu and open the content section. This is home base for your store's written materials, and it's where blogging lives inside Shopify. From there, choose blog posts. You'll see any posts you've created before, plus options to manage them. To start a new one, click Add Blog Post. This opens the editor where you'll craft everything your readers will see. Begin by adding a clear, descriptive title. Aim for something your customers would actually search for and that reflects the value of the post. Keep it concise, but don't be afraid to include a keyword or a benefit so it's immediately useful and clickable. Next, add your content in the main editor. You can write directly in Shopify or paste from a document. Format with headings to break up sections, use short paragraphs for readability, and sprinkle in links to your products or helpful pages to keep readers exploring your site. If you reference a product, consider linking directly to it to make buying easy. Use the toolbar to add emphasis, lists, and embedded media where appropriate, and always give your post a clear introduction and a simple call to action at the end. Before you publish, adjust visibility. If you're ready to go live, set the post to be visible right away. If you want it to launch later, schedule a publish date and time so it automatically goes live when your audience is most active. This is great for coordinating with product drops or email campaigns. Add an image to represent the post. This featured image will appear on your blog index and often at the top of the post, so choose something high quality and on brand. After you upload, add alt text that describes the image for accessibility and better search visibility. Keep images optimized so your page loads quickly. When everything looks good, click save. If it's set to visible, it will publish. If scheduled, it will wait for the time you chose. After saving, give it a quick check on your storefront to confirm formatting, links, and images look the way you expect. That's it, your Shopify blog post is live and ready to bring in traffic and sales. Keep posting consistently and you'll build authority and a helpful resource your customers return to again and again.